Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is going to be a get ready with me for a date night. So I came up with this look. I had no plan going in, but this is what we came up with. So hopefully you guys enjoy it. And I am actually going on an actual date tonight. Cody and I are gonna go see the new 50 Shades of Grey movie. So that should be fun. And then we're gonna go get some dinner or something fun. Just something post Valentine's Day activities, just something to do tonight. And I did actually get my hair cut today and I feel like I got a lot off, but it feels so much healthier. And so I figured since I have my hair done, I might as well do a get ready with me because it looks really good. So I needed makeup to match it. And yeah, if you guys are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and make sure you watch the entire video because there is a sneaky little giveaway in this video as well. So be sure to enter that and let's go ahead and jump into it. If you guys haven't met Snacks, you can go check out my last video and see more of him. He's very rambunctious right now, but I wanted you guys to see him. And goodbye. Okay, I actually went and got my hair cut today and she took like an inch off and it feels like I have really short hair, but I'm loving it. And we did a tone, so it's a little bit more cooler, less brassy. I'm loving it, but I did have to wear a little bit of concealer and I just like curled my lashes before I went to that because I have some breakouts on my chin that I don't want a lot of people to see. So I'm gonna kind of just refresh my face and get it like plumped and ready for makeup. So I like to do that with my Caudalie Beauty Elixir spray, and then I'll be using the Too Faced Hangover RX primer because my skin is dry AF right now and this stuff is really good. This is when I would usually go in with a brightening concealer. I like to use the one from Benefit. This is their Boing Brightening Concealer, but I did that already before I went and got my hair done today. So I'm gonna skip that, but since these are peeking out a little bit and they're a little bit red, I'm gonna just put a little bit of green concealer on that to conceal that a little bit. For foundation tonight, I decided that I would mix these two. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I love this on its own. It has great coverage and it's really glowy, but I do like a little bit more of a matte foundation, so I'm gonna mix in a little bit of the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I like them both a lot. They're good on their own, but I'm hoping they work really well together too. Also, side note, I do really like the Infallible Pro Glow Concealer as well. It's a recent try for me, but they don't really have a lot of shades. Like this is like the lightest, I believe, and it's so dark on me. So that's the only thing. It's good for like concealing spots, but not for brightening your under eye. Does that make sense? This is where the headband comes in handy. So I can just tuck that way. Great, okay. Now I look crazy. Also, apologies, I'm currently getting over a sickness and for some reason my throat is the last to heal and I sound really raspy, but anyway, the foundation looks really good. It's very full coverage, but also gives that luminosity, which is great. I did want to just quickly mention I tried out the Shape Tape Matte Foundation and it just showed my dryness so badly. So if you tried the hydrating version of this, let me know how you liked it because I think this will be a great foundation for the summer, but it did not work for me right now, and I even mixed it with a couple things, so I'm still playing around with it, but this is a much safer combination on my face currently. For concealer, I'm actually going back to the Born This Way concealer from Too Faced. I rediscovered this and I actually really like the way it looks under my eyes, and since I've already brightened them, this should be fine. If you're looking for something heavier coverage, obviously go with the Shape Tape, but yeah, I really like this one. And to set my makeup, I thought I would go ahead and try the Infallible Pro Glow Longwear Powder. And it looks like it has a matte side and a shimmery side, so that's kind of interesting. I think you're supposed to just mix them together, I think. But I'm gonna use this to set my face and hopefully I don't come out looking like Edward Cullen, but I guess we'll find out. Not so sure about that. Moving on to bronzer, lately I've been using the Hoola bronzer, but I decided to switch things up tonight and I'm going to be using my Omega Bronze by Marc Jacobs. It's the coconut one. I love this. I've used it all the time in the summer and I haven't really touched it in a while, so that's why I'm bringing it back. For blush today, I'm going to be using this Too Faced Pink Leopard Blushing Bronzer. I really like this. It does give you such a nice natural glow, but it does bronze your skin up just a little bit more, which we can all probably appreciate in the winter. Jumping over to eyebrows, I have recently, there's like eyelash glue clump on this, that's cute. let's get rid of that. I've been using the Total Temptation Brow Definer from Maybelline. This one is in the shade 310, and it's just an angled pencil brush on one side that looks like this, and then a rounded spoolie type on the other. And this matches my brow shade really nicely, and it's just a really quick and easy product to use. So good job, Maybelline. I'm a big fan of this. And to set those, I'm gonna go in with the Top Brow Sculpting Brow Pencil from Kiss. This actually has a brow gel on the other side, and it's fantastic. So that's what I've been using lately to set my brows. I don't really have a direction with my eyeshadow for this evening, but I did pull out a couple palettes I haven't touched in a while. The first one is the Naked 2 Basics palette, so I'm gonna play around with that. And then I also pulled out the Naked Ultimate Basics palette. So I think I'm gonna do some sort of matte look because that's what I'm feeling. But I also have this little L'Oreal Infallible Iced Latte shadow that I might pop on the center, so we'll just see what happens. Since this is a date night, I did want to do more of like a smokier look to my eyes, so I am going to take Cover and Primal from the Naked 2 Basics and smudge that on my lower lash line. Now I'm going to take that L'Oreal Iced Latte shadow, but I'm going to dampen my brush first, so I'm going to use some Coconut Fix Plus to get her a little damp. And then let's hope this works out well. I don't know. Once I apply a lighter eyeshadow to the kind of first half of my eyelid, I do like to go back in with that crease color and just darken the outer corner a little bit more. Eyeshadow is done, and now I'm going to move on to liquid liner, and I thought about it. I was like, should I do liquid liner? And then I was like, yes, obviously you should do liquid liner. So as per usual, I'm using my Bomb Schwing liner. This stuff is amazing. I'll have a link down below if you haven't tried it and you like liquid liner. You need to try it. I say that every single time, and I truly mean it. You gotta try it. They're kind of long, but that's okay. Makeup's kind of dark today, so cool. I think we're gonna leave it at that. That one's a little jagged, but my hair covers it, so it's fine. Okay, I think I'm just gonna do mascara today because I don't really want to put on false lashes. So I'm gonna be using the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara, and I'll probably end up mixing the L'Oreal Lash Paradise. It's really rough. This bottle is really rough. But those are my two favorite drugstore mascaras currently, and I do like to layer my mascara, so that's what I'm doing today. If you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you so much, and I did want to include a little surprise giveaway in this because I appreciate the ones that watch my videos all the way through. I'm going to be giving away some palettes, basically. So this one is the Kristen Leanne Kaleidoscope Dream Palette. This is a collaboration with Urban Decay. I'm also going to be throwing in the Daydream eyeshadow palette, which looks stunning. I believe these are all matte shadows. You can Google like images of them if you want to. I'm also going to be giving away the 3 lipsticks from that collection as well. And then I thought I'd throw in another Urban Decay palette. This one is the Jean-Michel Best, I do not know how to pronounce it, but this is what the packaging looks like. It's so cool. Those are the colors. So some super fun, colorful, amazing eyeshadow palettes. And all you have to do to enter is click the link in the description box below, and then you will get prompted to do a couple other things, but it's going to be super simple. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoy that little mini giveaway. And the reason I'm giving away that stuff, and I wanted to mention it right now in the video, is because I'm going to be using the Urban Decay Kristen Leanne Beauty Beam Highlight Palette for the first time. I have been keeping this baby in the package, but I'm ready to try it out. It's like a 3-toned highlight palette. It's so, so pretty, and everyone keeps raving about it, so let's try it out. Oh, that's nice. That's really, really pretty. That is a pop and highlight if I do say so myself, and I'm totes okay with it. That's so pretty. Moving moving on, the last step I'm going to be doing for this video is lips, and I was actually originally going to use this. This is the Smashbox Always On Liquid Lipstick in Spoiler Alert. I love this formula, it's so good, and they actually came out with new shades. I believe this is one of them. So good, but I think I want to go something a little bit more neutral. Also, side note, I just want to like share all my current favorite products with you guys. This is the Vava Plump like shiny liquid lipsticks from Buxom. They are so good and they last on your lips so well. They don't like, I mean, they're glossy, so they obviously transfer, but they wear down so nicely and they kind of go to like a demi matte once it's like kind of worn off a bit. They're so good. The shades are so great, and normally I would go for something like that, but I decided I want to go something a little bit way more nude basically. So I'm going to be using the Pure Hollywood liquid lipstick from Anastasia, and I think I'm going to put a little Fenty gloss on top. If you are actually going on a date and wanting to wear liquid lipstick, I definitely recommend the Smashbox or Anastasia ones just because they last so long on the lips through eating and drinking. I always wear these ones to events because I know that they're gonna stay, and yeah, definitely recommend them for a date. I got the baby Fenty, it's so cute, it's so little, but this is such a nice gloss. And I'm not really a typical gloss person, so I think that says a lot. So fruity, so delicious. I hope you guys enjoyed getting ready with me, and if you did, give it a thumbs up and let me know in a comment down below what your current favorite makeup product is, because I'm very curious and I love trying out new things. And of course, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe before you go, and link down below will be for the giveaway if you want to enter. And I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Have a great day. Bye. He's a shoulder cat now. Hi, baby.
You rode me all the way from the computer.
You do only wear that shirt now. He's calling it.
You want me to get a close up?
Yeah, get a close up of me.
Can I cut?